where you live, where you stay. It doesn't matter. Anytime, anywhere, you try to speak in English. With your family members, your fathers, your classmates, whoever, you need to say something. Is the set of your mind. Anyhow, I have to say something in English. Even when you go to market, you just ask the price. How much is this? So this is how you have to be broad. And also writing something every day. Some sentences you write in your journal or your diary. It will be better to correct your grammatical errors. Even you just identify your some knowledgeable information. As a result, when you try to say something, at that time, automatically coming out for that. Actually, if you wanna be a good speaker in English, or if you can speak in English very well, definitely you need set up very small goals. You just set up very small and easy goals. You don't set up very, very big goals. Suppose within 1 month I have to speak in English fluently. No, this is the big goal. When you plan to fix a big goal, at that time it is so difficult. But when you just set up very small and achievable goal, at that time just achieve and you just celebrate that. When you celebrate your small goal, at that time you will get the inspired for doing anything. But if you don't fulfill any goal, at that time you will be frustrated. So don't being frustrated for any kind of action. You need to be inspire yourself. Okay, this is the big work, so I don't be able to just complete this. Obviously, I need to very simple and easy and achievable goal I have to fix. When you very achievable and fixed goal, at that time you will inspire and your body, your mouth, your brain, everything will support you to say something in English, even improve your English. So you just fix that. Even you just watch English movies, even TV shows in English. Sometimes you watch a short video over there, you try to explain something, you try to see just subtitles and express like subtitle very easily you try to capture. When you capture that, day by day you will improve. When you improve gradually, at that time you feel good. Even you will be motivated to speak in English. But if you don't do that, obviously you feel nervous and you think that, oh my God, it is so difficult. It is not achievable for me. So I wanna quit that. But once you quit this, just you lose everything. So you don't be afraid. You just think that anyhow I have to be achieve this goal. So this type of mentality, when you set up your brain at that time, your mind will set up and you step by step take the opportunity, take the action to speak in English. If you do that, finally you will be successful in speaking English. But you don't take so many passions. You always think that I don't have any passion, just I take it funny and I will learn making a fun in English. Always you just make a fun in English, you just speak in English fluently, whatever in your mind, it doesn't matter. You try to express something in English. Even sometimes you introduce yourself and you just your favorite topic, what you know very well. You try to speak in English. Every day, what you are doing, you just express in English. Even you travel anywhere at that time, you try to express in English. Even you just move around, then you watch a lot of things. At that time, you just describe in English. So this is how you have to improve speaking English. But you know a lot of English, lot of vocabularies, but you can't apply in speaking English. So how do you say something with your mouth? Obviously, if you order something with your mouth, definitely you have to do practice a lot. When you practice regular basis, at that time you feel good. You feel just happy because it is just achievable something for you. When you achieve something special, goals or skill, at that time you feel really, really good. But behind that, you have to work hard. Those who are good listeners, they can speak in English very well. Just you need to focus on listening, reading, sometimes writing. As a result, you have to just politely say something in English and you can speak in English very well. But before that, you need to practice a lot. Once again, I said practice and practice more. If you know practice or without practicing, there is no any alternative way or any software. You just apply this and speak in English very well. This type of method, there is no to me. So I think that if you want to be a good speaker and if you want to be a public speaker in English, definitely you have to retain everything successfully, use in better place, where the right place, you have to find out. When you get this place, you just express something in English. This is how you continuously do practicing and do something effectively. Today, I just one English related video from YouTube. Over there, I just getting some information. Next time I will provide you. But from this video, I'm getting so many interesting topics. That means how to be a good speaker, how to say something confidently. So this type of mentality, when you set up your goal, at that time you feel better, and also you earn a money from this. But if you don't use that and you don't know how to use that, so how is it possible? So obviously you need to focus on speaking English. On the other hand, you just wanna go abroad. At that time, it is must to learn speaking English because just worldwide English is famous and international language. So any language you don't know properly, but you know very well English, just you cooperate with them because generally all over the world English is renowned language and everyone respect this and everyone maintain all things of this language. So we need to just practically use that and we need to do something effectively. Sometimes I believe that, oh my God, it is so difficult. But when I practice more, at that time, it will be easy. So today I will give some advice and I think that you apply in your life and I hope that you will be better speaker in English and you can speak in English very well better than me. So if you wanna like this, definitely I will just help you and if there is any problem about speaking English, let me know in the comment box. And next time, what type of video you want to watch, just let me know in the comment box. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Best of luck. Goodbye.